Whether you're new to the hobby or have been around for a while, you've probably seen or heard of Reaper Minis. Now, these things are great, and I have a ton of them, but the problem is they bend and get misshapen very easily. Now, my name is Jacob from the Dry Paint Pot, and today's episode is going to teach you how to unbend all of your minis, so stick around. If you've ever purchased a Reaper Mini, or a plastic model for that matter, you've most likely noticed that some part of it is bent or out of place. Now, I own a ton of Reaper Minis, and about 90% of them are messed up because they were either improperly stored before or after I purchased them. All it takes is a little heat and pressure, and these things get all bent and twisted. And living in hot and muggy Florida, these things just die. Remember, miniature painting is all about replicating something in the real world, just at a smaller scale. So when you have a gun barrel that's bent or an axe that's twisted, it just doesn't look right. And it will ruin your model by making things look out of place no matter how good you paint it. Now, there's a very easy way to fix these, and all we'll need is a pot of boiling water, a cup of cold water, and some tongs. So let's get cooking. Hello, my name is Chef Giuseppe. Today I'm making the most delicious Reaper Mini you ever tasted in your whole life. And today a show brought to you by nobody. Nobody wanna pay me, stay home and paint a mini. I don't know why. Forget about it. Today I make a very special dish for a very special boy, my boy Victor. I love him. So the first thing we gotta do, we gotta get a water to boil. Bing, bang, boom, he's done. The next thing we're gonna need the ingredient. Come on. First things first, we need the onion. We gotta get the onion chopped, and then we get some Italian gold right here. We get it chop. And then we're gonna put it in this boy. Oh, we're going to make a sauce that Mama will love. I'm telling you right now, Mama gonna love it. To make this dish, we need to make it without blood, I sweat and tears. Next we're going to introduce the flavors. Let them take a swim. Now we're gonna put a very special ingredient, this boy right here. And then you can just go crazy, add any flavor you like. A little bit of extra garlic like that, a little bit of pepper. It's gonna be delicious. Now we wanna take them out like that, nice and seasoned, and bam! Right in the cold water, just like that. Now that's how you make a spicy meatball. Just like Mama used to make. Now, in all seriousness, we really need to get these models fixed. So the first thing that we have to do is get some water boiling. Now that our water's boiling, we just want to take our Reaper Minis and drop them right into the pot for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now you'll see that the water gets them nice and soft. And now we know that they're done, so you just want to take them out and toss them into a bowl of cold water. And once the models hit the cold water, you don't have to worry about adjusting them. The parts will naturally set where they need to be. And then, after about a minute, you can take them out and they're fixed. As you see, our models look great and are all set to be primed and painted. I know that this video is a lot shorter than my others, but I've learned over the years that some of the challenges you'll run into can sometimes be fixed very easily and very quickly. Now, because of this, I was thinking about doing some shorter videos that cover easy fixes to some of the challenges that you'll run into. And if that's something that interests you, feel free to share your ideas with me in the comments section below. And as always, feel free to share any of your work with me both on Facebook and Instagram at The Dry Paint Pot. I'll be picking my favorites every week and featuring them in my upcoming videos. Now wash your brushes, clean your paint pots, and keep on painting.